In a series of early morning tweets, President Trump called for the Supreme Court to provide an expedited review of his travel ban in the wake of another terrorist attack in the UK. Trump repeatedly called his executive order on immigration from 6 Muslim-majority countries a travel ban, a term his own administration has condemned in the past.
When we use words like travel ban, that misrepresents what it is.
The president followed those tweets with a scathing message about London Mayor Sadiq Khan, who is a Muslim. Trump tweeted that the Justice Department should instate a much tougher version of the executive order he put forward March 6th. He has not provided clarification as to what a tougher version would entail. Lower courts have blocked the president's executive orders on immigration, citing religious discrimination. Those courts referenced Trump's messages on the campaign trail, which revolved around a Muslim ban. The Trump administration appealed to the Supreme Court last Thursday, asking the justices to put the ban into immediate effect. Trump would need the votes of 5 justices to put the ban into effect this summer. Reporting for the Boston Herald, Megan Ottolini.